Hi, welcome America. We're at Gary Lang Car Show. This is our 35th anniversary of being in business. This is our 22nd annual car show. We have a beautiful day set ahead. A lot of show up. This is our rain day actually, and we have a great show up. Enjoy the show, have a good time, and off we go. Woo!
I'm Bud Parrish. I have a 1955 Ford Cabover, and I bought the truck out in Colorado and had it shipped back to me. All I wanted was the sheet metal from the truck, and I threw everything else away, and I started with another frame. I put a 460 motor in it with a cam in it, and it got a 750 Edelbrock carburetor on it. It has positive traction on it. The pickup bed was a 1955 Ford stepside, and I widened that 10 inches so that the back fenders line up with the front fenders, and the tailgate's off of a fleet side tailgate, and I widened that 1.5 inches on both sides to make that work, and I got about 425 horsepower on that, and have a lot of fun with it.
Great. Start again. Okay, go ahead.
It's a 63 Chevy C10. It's got a 427 stroker, built by R Racing out of Virginia. It's got a Tremec T56 transmission, 6-speed.
How long you had it?
About 10 years, and the truck actually came from California, and they started on the restoration 3.5 years ago and just finished it. So.
What happened last night? You went to the Woodstock show?
Yeah.
And then you win something?
Yeah, top prize.
That's not bad.
Yeah, I've been 5 shows and won 4 trophies so far. So, yeah.
My name is Bob Thompson. I've got a 1969 Pontiac Firebird, which I bought out on the West Coast. It's a California black plate car that had actually been off the road for 35 years. I bought it as a shell, but complete car, rust-free, and had never been hit. So I brought the car back and bought a Schwartz full tube chassis, LS7 675 horse, T56 Magnum with the hydraulic clutch and a Moser full floater Ford 9-inch. So I actually built the car at home in the garage. I bought the chassis complete, rolling with the drivetrain and everything in it. We fitted the chassis, actually fitted the chassis at Jeff's shop before it went off for paint and body. We put the original subframe back on, went through the body work which was done at Performance Restorations by Brent Jarvis, and just before the car was ready to go into paint, Brent actually sold Performance Restorations, so Kevin from Nostalgic Auto Body in Highland Lake painted the car. But this thing is kind of a combination of originality and modern performance. I tried to retain as much original components as I possibly could when I built the car. All the interior, the dash and everything is all original. It's been sent out to Instrument Specialties. The dash pad and everything has been sent out to Just Dashes out in California. So I just incorporated modern gauges and that sort of thing into the original dash. It's got Recaro interior, heated cooled seats in it, forged line wheels, 6-piston bare brakes with Ride-Tech coilovers and 14-inch rotors on it. So, okay, yeah, the car is also going to be featured in Carcraft magazine. We just did a photo shoot a week ago last Saturday. So just waiting to get the tech sheet on that and get that whole thing rolling. Actually, the car last year at the Indian Uprising in St. Charles, Illinois, out of 625 cars, last year won the Best of Show. Which was really a thrill. I mean, typically the Pontiac guys are real purists, and to win that with a LS7 in there was really kind of an honor. The reception that I got with the car was absolutely amazing.
I'm Wendy Wegner, Marketing Director here at Gary Lang Auto Group. Welcome to our 22nd Annual All-American Car Show. We are so excited that you are joining us today. Back in 1983 when Gary Lang was established, he only had one car brand. Now we're up to 7, including 3 import lines and 4 domestic lines, including Chevy, GMC, Buick, Cadillac, Kia, Mitsubishi, and Subaru. In addition to all that, we now have 23 acres of property. That includes all the new cars and used cars as well. We want to thank all the people who are here today, who are making this happen, all of our customers who continually support us, make an effort to come in, say hi, and continually service and buy from us. Thanks so much and have a great day.
I assembled or built the car in between the years of 82 and 84. It took me 2 years to build it. It's been on the road ever since. All of the Crystal Lake parades, with the exception of one when I was couldn't drive it.
What is it?
It's a 1925 Model T Speedster.
Okay.
You could have built this in 1925 from parts and accessories that you could buy over the counter.
Okay, from Ford. Okay.
Wow. And
So have you, what have you done with this car besides car shows and stuff? You actually taken on trips or road?
Well, as far as I've gone is Rockford, Elgin, Wilmont, to car shows.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm Kevin Flament from Beach Park, Illinois, and this is my 1970 K5 Blazer.
how long you had it?
I've had it about 7 years. It came from Arizona. The guy that I got it from Arizona, and it's got a 330 horse GM crate motor in it. And
Have you done any upgrades yourself? Or?
yeah, it, and it came when I got it. It had about 3 boxes of parts in the back, and I did that and some tires and just basically cleaned it up and do a little detail work.
Okay.